Hi there. This week we're reading passage 418. It's called The Hopi, Native Americans of the Southwest. Many hundreds of years ago, the Hopi lived in what is now Arizona. These Native Americans were desert people. They lived on top of steep hills with flat tops. These hills were called mesas. The Hopi built their houses out of rocks covered with plaster. The plaster was made out of clay and water. Then they joined their houses into villages. The Hopi villages are called pueblos. When a Hopi man and woman married, they lived in the woman's house. The Hopi woman owned the houses in the pueblo. The Hopi men had a special room that was underground. It is called a kiva. The Hopi men gathered in the kiva for special gatherings. Women were only allowed in the kiva on special occasions. The Hopi grew beans and squash. Corn was their main food, though. The Hopi grew corn in many colors, not just yellow. Some of it was red, blue, black, and purple. The Hopi women used the corn kernels to make a kind of cornmeal pudding. Sometimes they added cactus plants to the cornmeal to make it sweeter. Hopi women also used desert clay to make colorful pottery. The Hopi did not eat much meat. They did not hunt often because there were not many animals in the desert. Occasionally they ate turkey, rabbit, antelope, or deer. Today, many Hopi people still live in pueblos. They keep their traditional ways. Other Hopi live a more modern American life.